eve of the eve of the eve of Christmas, everyone. Welcome to my home, my darling friends. I am so happy that you all stopped by today. I am really looking forward to just sharing a Christmas home tour with all of y'all. And while we're taking a tour, I'm also going to share with you some very special Christmas wishes from my heart to yours.
This year's Christmas season began in November with us embarking on the most exciting DIY adventure of the year. We had so much fun creating these beautiful faux velvet ornaments. They truly did turn out so beautiful, and y'all seemed to really enjoy this project and left me so many kind comments. We also had a ton of fun embellishing these so pretty sparkling ornaments. They truly turned out so lovely. We also got really creative with pine boughs, turning them into a super cute star tree topper. And y'all know that among my many artisanal hobbies, floral arranging is one of my top faves. So it came as no surprise that we had to create some kind of greenery piece to spruce up the studio for the holidays. In keeping with our homespun theme, we created this darling garland and then paired it with some greenery that made a lovely statement piece on the mantle this year. And to finish off the garland, we made these darling stockings so full of whimsy, which we hung from the mantle with a whole lot of care. We made these darling pillows stuffed full of charm, and then we spruced up a sled with lots of touches of country. We also made plenty of gifts with tasty treats and even cupcakes in a globe. We hand-poured candles with all the warm aromas of Christmas, and then to finish it all off, we wrapped gifts in brown paper packages and tied them all with beautiful bows and embellishments aglow. Now it was time to deck the halls and adorn the walls with all our handmade glory. Decorating for Christmas is the most magical time of the decor year for me. I absolutely love Christmas decorations and pine trees a-many. Now y'all, I cannot just have one tree. Oh no, there has to be a total of 20. Okay, well, 20 times 3 plus 10, and then we can truly say we have trees aplenty. It is no secret that I believe trees are somewhat heavenly, very much to the tune of 70. Yes, I said 70 in total will be the focal point for this year's bestowal. If you are wondering just how does one fit all those trees of plenty, well, come along with me as we continue our tour and see if you can count all 70. Some are large, some are small, some are fragrant, and some command the space while taking charge. As we continue our tour, I would like to leave you with a special note from my heart to yours. So this is what I wrote. Dear friends, thank you all so much for being here today. Words cannot express how grateful I am for each and every one of you. The support that you have shown me this year has never gone unnoticed. Every week I look so forward to our time together. It is without a doubt the highlight of my week. Your comments never cease to touch me. I am continually blessed by your kindness. Friendship is not something I take for granted, and I sincerely value the friendships we have developed throughout this year. Y'all mean the world to me. I pray your Christmas is magical and meaningful in every way you wish for it to be. I look forward to the coming new year and am excited to see what the year will bring. If there is anything at all y'all would like to create or learn together this next year, please leave me your ideas in the comments and I will do my very best to turn your ideas into fun content. I can hardly wait for another amazing year together, my darling friends. Until then, Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year. Big, giant hugs. Your friend, Alecia.
Thank you, my darling friends, for stopping by today. I was so happy to have each and every one of you come and visit me in my home today for this Christmas home tour. I am feeling very, very nostalgic right now as this is our very last video of 2023. Y'all, can you believe that this year has nearly come to an end? I feel like it has just been a whirlwind of so much activity, but also a lot of love. Y'all, you have shown me so much love and so much, I don't even have the words. You've just given me so much love, and I would not be here if it were not for each and every one of you. So I want you all to know that I appreciate you so much and that I love you from the bottom of my heart. I wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year. I will see you all again in 2024. Bye.
Merry, Merry Christmas to each and every one of you. God bless, my friends.